sorry, but okay, this is the kind of like the last part of the video. But so what the whole point of making this video was, first of all, we were kind of bored, and we wanted to. This video is a credit to so yeah, go sub to them. Yay!
Yeah.
And Caramel Dancer #1 may make a remake of herself.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
But the moral to the story is never judge a book by its cover. Never judge someone how they look. Like, what the crap? What the heck? Okay.
That was funny.
Like a dog and a cat. Never judge them by their looks. Just be friends.
Yeah. And I play as thunder. Yeah. Oh wait, I'll be right back.
Who cares if you're tall and fat? Or who cares if you're skinny and short? Who cares if you're shy? If you're mean? If you're happy all the time? If you're jolly? If you're always depressed? Who cares? At least it's just you with yourself. Just be yourself. Yeah, be yourself. He never change. We love you all like the same. Yeah, and if you guys change, well, we don't know how we'll live. Yeah, you guys are the best. Thanks for 47 subscribers and up, and for Caramel Dancer #1 around 27 or 28 subscribers and up. Thank you all, and thank you for 1,999 channel views and all the upload views and stuff like that. Yeah. Mary, thank you so much. We give you tons of thank yous.
Thank you.
Yeah, I hope you like this video, so bye.
Hey, Grandma, do you know where Charon is?
He's right here.
Time to chase Charon! Come back here!
Well, everyone, I hope you all learned a valuable lesson.
Pickles. Yeah!
It's about kicking Sarah's face.
Hey! And Charon's!
Leave me alone, you hobknocker!
He cussed at me! Oh my god! Hey.
Where'd you go?
I don't know! Oh yeah!
Oh,
Gotcha! Time to chase him again!
And who cares if you look like if you look skinny, if you look dumb, if people say you're stupid. Just believe in yourself. Yeah. Believe in yourself and chickens and pickles and thumbs. Give us tons of thumbs.
I got him! Let's jump on his face! Yeah. Jumping on face! I love doing this, especially with the Cyrus and Charon.
And give us tons of thumbs because we rock.
Yeah, why are we playing sad songs again?
I don't know.
Time to do more stomping on Charon!
Hi, guys.
Ouch!
In all seriousness.
I'm okay!
Okay, time to be serious. Hold on, let me go get something.
I'm okay! And I am okay!
Yay!
Yay! I'm Bobby!
Okay, guys, in all serious terms, thank you so much for all the subscribers and friend invites. I love you so much. I love you all. Thank you. Caramel Dancer #1 and I
Hi.
are really happy. You don't know how happy we are. We would cry for tons of hours for all of you. You know, wouldn't we, Alexis? Wouldn't we?
Yeah.
We would cry for you guys because we love you so much. In fact, I think I'm gonna cry right now. I mean, we got tons of subscribers.
Yeah. I'm a little tired too. And we're gonna cry. I'm gonna beat up Charon before I continue. Charon, come back here.
Anyways, well, we have to go, guys, because it's like 3 or 4 in the morning. So yeah. And no, we didn't get any sleep.
Charge.
So anyways, guys, we love you all. Have a good night. Have a good morning. Have a good day. Wherever you're watching this. Wherever, whenever, what time. I don't give a crap. Just have a good day or have a good night. Have a good morning. Have a good pie. Have a good pie, yeah.
Yeah.
Have a good pie. Welcome to the end. Welcome to the end.
What the?
Welcome to the end.
And
California girls undeniable.
what the?
What the crap? Okay. Okay, so yeah, bye guys. We hope you liked this video. And no, we're not copying anybody. No, my love. Okay, I'm joking.
What else?
And don't forget to subscribe to us.
Yeah.
Everyone, we're gonna be showing the cast. The cast.
Right
Okay.
now?
Yeah, here we are. The two parents of Thunder,
Cyrus.
Karen and the Love Doctor.
I don't know why I said Cyrus.
Alexis playing as Thunder. Hi.
Second. I said Cyrus for a random reason.
Kelly Clarkson as Diamond. Crystal as Icy as a little baby. London as Icy as a older year old, yeah. Jason Kyrels as Flames. Janie as Star, age, younger. Dakota as the King of all dogs, younger. B2 as Dragon. Felicity as the Queen of all dogs, age younger. Rapidash as the fairy godmother. Kesha as Lightning. Yeah, Kelly's sister. Haley as Star, older Queen of all cats. And Mia as Diamond, playing at the age, younger. Bye guys, hope you liked this video. Please subscribe, comment, rate. Love you all. Go to these two channels. Love you so much. Bye. Mwah. Pickles.